Cedric. Now I'm going to repair the front bumper plastic because it's getting busted and getting cracked. But since we don't have any replacement for this because it's so expensive, that's why we repair this bumper. Thermoplastic bumper we are going to repair, and we use this gun. Use this gun and the wire. You see the wire, this one, the wire, and this is the heating gun, and we will attach to the crack and damaged area. Yes, yeah, look at this. Then once you turn on the button of the heat gun, it will produce heating the wire, and then when it's good, you touch the wire and then release the on button to make the wire getting cold, and then after the wire getting cold, you pull out the gun. So be sure when you pull out the gun, the wire is getting cold, so that the wire is getting stuck in there. Alright.
Hah? Lalu?
Paman.
Apa deh?
Right. So now this, as you can see, it's getting stronger now. Alright, that's all guys.